The next concept we are going to discuss is the range. This is used to see how spread out the data set is. The range is found by taking the maximum data point and subtracting it by the minimum data point. The range is useful when there are no outliers in the data. But when there are outliers, the range tells a distorted story. And that's why the interquartile range was developed. The interquartile range, is used to eliminate the possible distortion caused by outliers. The interquartile range, or IQR, is found by taking the third quartile and subtracting it from the first quartile. What this does is it tells us how spread out the middle 50% of the data values are. It eliminates distortion caused by outliers. And for many types of real-world data, the interquartile range is a very useful measure of spread. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the range and the interquartile range of our Statistics 101 data set where we had this frequency table, but also looking at this box and whisker plot. So if you see here, the range is found by taking the max minus the min. Now on this box and whisker plot, it's very easy to see that the max is 24 and the min is 1. So to find the range, we're just going to subtract the max, which is 24, by the minimum, which is 1, which tells us 24 minus 1 is 23. That means the range is 23. The data is spread out by 23 units. After the range, we're going to find the interquartile range. The interquartile range is going to tell us how spread out the middle 50% of the data is. We find that by taking the third quartile. The third quartile is right here, it's 12. And we're going to subtract it from the first quartile, which in this is 9. So we're just going to go 12 minus 9, the third quartile minus the first quartile, and what we get is 3. That means that the interquartile range is 3. It's the interquartile range. The middle 50% of the data set is spread out by 3 units.